guys, Fiona Louise Walker here. Thank you for coming on to my channel. Thank you if you're returning or if you're brand new. So I have decided to do a Lidl haul. I've done a couple. Today I went to Lidl. I decided to show you what we got for a family of 4. I didn't need to get, so I'm just having a look, I didn't need to get any much in the way of like extra things like toiletries or soap or shampoo or anything like that. It's just mainly fresh produce, bread, some milk, some meats. We're reducing the amount of meat that we have, so I just thought I would show you. Please excuse my appearance, I have not got a stitch of makeup on. I wanted to have a completely fresh face today and I'm slightly regretting it now looking at myself in this, but take me as I am. I shall show you it and then I'll tell you how much it all came to. I had some in a while, and I also got, oh that's upside down, but that was $4.95 for 4 chicken breasts, some milk for the kids, some 12 free range eggs, some butter. I normally get the large pack. I just decided to pick this up for quickness. I love hummus with sugar snap peas and carrots. I got this really cheeky, it's called Big Bite. I've already had a few bits, but I don't think I'll get it again. I'm not amazingly blown away by it. Some cheese, some cooked chicken breast slices for if I've not got chicken that's already cooked, because we're really enjoying having chicken and feta salads at the moment. I've got some 2 packs, however I opened one up already because we had flatbreads earlier on. I do, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Fiona Walker 83. I do a lot of cooking on that, so if you want to follow me, feel free. Some strawberries, these were 99p per punnet and there's 250 grams, so I thought I'll get a few. Some blueberries, my wee girl just asked to have, hence why these 2 are open. She was wanting some fruit. I've got some 2 jars of honey because we don't take sugar in our tea or coffee, we take honey. Love that coffee. Ran out completely, so I've got that in. Bananas, I've only got a small bundle because I've already got some in. Granny Smith apples. 2 packs of corn on the cob, 2 packs of sugar snap peas, spring onion, the dual colour gem lettuce. I've already got a couple of lettuces in, but I wanted something that had colour. 2.5 kilos of potatoes, carrots, 2 packs of wipes, some pasta and spaghetti. I never actually put that in my trolley. I think that fell onto my shopping and it was put through, but I don't mind, I'll have it with the hummus. 2 packs of potato scones, 2 loaves, move this out of the way. Some wraps, I'm going to do some burritos. We have vegan burritos whenever. I got some sunflower seeds, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, some tomato puree, and still need to get some garlic puree, some sweet corn, some mixed beans. I thought I was picking up 2 tins of tuna with spring water, but one of them is in sunflower oil. It's no biggie, but I prefer spring water. Fruit and fibre, blueberry wheats. Fairly asked to try these. I think it's like Oreos. Some raspberry and honey porridge oat bars. Frozen chips, waffles, and some fish because I just wanted to have something in that's really quick and easy. And the last few things over here, diluting juice, some kitchen towels. I got this to try because that was on offer. That was £2 for 2 litres, so I got that to try. Some loo roll, some bleach, deodorant for me, and refill razors for my husband. And this all came to £74.77. Hi! What have you got? A Lego girl! Wow! Woohoo! I'm going to pop everything away, and I also need to unfortunately couldn't get it out, clean my fridge. That's one thing I really don't like to do, is clean my fridge. Obviously needs to get done every once in a while, or every week I should say, but it's just one of those tasks I really do not like doing. Some women don't like doing laundry, some women don't like doing bathrooms. I don't like cleaning fridges. Where have you gone? So that's a quick overview of before. That's my ground coffee that I have. Okay, so here I am. I've just starting to clear out the fridge and I'm disinfecting the shelves as well, and also taking the shelves out so that it gets a right good clean. I'm just putting some of the food back in as well, so I'm going with the date in order and also with the new foods that I got from Lidl earlier on that day. As you can see, that drawer is absolutely filthy. I hadn't actually cleaned that drawer in maybe about 2 weeks, so it desperately needed done. Just emptied all the foods that were actually out of date, or those strawberries were actually going mouldy even though I'd only bought them a couple of days before that. And now I'm putting all the meats into the fridge and the veg into the drawer. So now I've moved on to the actual door. As you can see, it was filthy as well. I honestly do clean my fridge, it's just obviously that time it was absolutely filthy. I've taken everything out and I am now cleaning it down. That's soy sauce there in case anybody's wondering, and then I'll be putting everything back in again. This is a bag of veg that I actually forgot I had, so I had to do it between the door and the shelves, and also put the excess out in the porch because it's that cold still. Okay, so that's an after. Fully stocked, very full, along with some going in the freezer. Wow. So I ended up having to put 2 bags of potatoes, the very large squash and carrots, a bag of carrots out in the porch. Luckily it's still very cold here, so I'm able to put excess fruit and veg out there until there's any space in the fridge. So I'm going to make myself a coffee, and thank you. I'm going to make myself a coffee and try and get the rest of the stuff away. But I'm glad that the fridge has been deep cleaned. Ooh. Hello, darling. Okay, it's a wee bit later now and I'm seriously dragging my heels. Now I've lost all motivation. Okay, so I'm trying to get everything else away now. Imogen was just into everything. As you can see, she's my wee sidekick. And I'm just trying to get everything done just so that it's all out the way and trying to get a wee bit more. Those shelf kind of basket things that I just showed you that's sitting on the canvas bag there, that's one of the organisational things I'm going to be putting in the pantry soon. I don't know whether I'm going to be filming it, I don't know yet, but I will let you know. Okay, so I'm just kind of doing a general tidy up here, just trying to get on and trying to get a wee bit more organised, as I keep on saying, but I just feel a wee bit cluttered whenever things are all over the place. Okay, I'm just tidying up the toy corner again, and then I will be moving on to the sink and also tidying up the sofa too. Good morning, it's now the next day. It's, as you can tell, a completely different outfit, so yeah, I wasn't able to finish it up, so this is going to turn out probably to be a day in the life. I'm just going to wrap up the video and finish off with tidying up the sink from this morning and cleaning the cooker, so I'll just take you along with me and then I shall wrap up the video. Okay, as you can see, the cooker was needing a wee bit of TLC as well. I have to do this every day. If I don't, then it becomes really dirty. I don't know why, but it just kind of attracts dirt. Anyway, spraying it down with the elbow grease spray there. I was just running out of, I was actually just running out, I should say. And then I am going to just kind of do a general tidy up again. That's all I feel like I'm doing at the moment, is tidying up all the time. I'm finally getting to do this wee corner. This wee corner just attracts clutter. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm really delighted that I actually got this tidied up and a wee bit more organised looking.
I'm just organising my wee box of bits and bobs for my camera there as well. Okay, so I just popped some stain remover on Imogen's wee t-shirt, or jammy top I should say. I'm just going to pop that on for a wash. Now it's on to the dishes in the sink from breakfast. Moving on to another wee corner in the kitchen that always gathers kind of dust and clutter. That is the area beside the spice rack and the kettle. I'm just wiping it all down and getting it all nice and clean again. Okay, so the elbow grease bottle has just ran out, that which I'm just about to show you, and I'm just putting Zoflora into this bottle. I like to have bottles just on hand so that I can decant disinfectant into them.
Okay, so that concludes this vlog. This has actually turned out to be a day in the life plus Lidl haul, so I hope you enjoy it. If you can hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you've not already. If you have, then thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that and joining my YouTube family. If you'd like to see any other kind of content, then please be sure to comment any suggestion in the comments bar. And I really hope you enjoyed this, what was going to just be a Lidl haul, but now it's turned into a day in the life video. So I really hope you enjoyed my first one. Please take care and stay safe, and I shall see you next time, guys.